Today, we're going to talk about how you can replace your cable internet plan with US Mobile's unlimited LTE plan. You might be wondering why this would be advantageous. Well, many people in the US live outside of a metropolitan area. For them, there might be only one cable provider in the area, leaving them with little choice of how they can get their internet. Therefore, as a result of this monopoly, their costs can be higher and their service might be slower. In addition, some people might prefer a no-contract service for what US Mobile offers. On top of that, many might require portable access to internet, which can be made possible with a US Mobile unlimited data SIM and a portable LTE router, or just a compatible phone. What you will need for this plan is to order a US Mobile SIM kit for $399. You can order it on the US Mobile website. You can select a 2-day delivery service for $2, or you can use standard shipping for free. If you have created your account with a valid university email, you can receive your first SIM card for free as well. Next, purchase a unlocked LTE router on Amazon or eBay. These range from $30 to $120, depending on the device manufacturer. I personally use the Netgear Unite AirCord 770S. It is small and have an 8-hour battery life, allowing it to be portable. The price is variable, but I got it for $45. You can indeed use your phone as a hotspot. However, phone tethering is limited to 10 gigabytes, while LTE routers do not have this limit. There are no additional one-time setup costs besides these. After you have received your SIM card and router in the mail, head back to your account and add a plan. Please note that US Mobile provides you with 2 SIM cards per shipment, a white one which uses the AT&T and T-Mobile network, and a black one which uses the Verizon network. Most 4G routers are generally not compatible with the Verizon network, so you will want to activate the white SIM card. Follow the instructions on the screen. You want to select the $40 per month unlimited plan with speeds up to 5 megabits per second, or a $50 per month unlimited plan with speeds up to 200 megabits per second. The site does impose an extra tax of $5.92 and a service fee of $2 per plan renewal per month, so your monthly cost will likely be $47.92 or $57.92. Depending on which base plan you have selected. Once your credit card payment is processed, you can insert your SIM into the router, connect it to the Wi-Fi, and go to its SIM browser settings page. Under the APN settings, enter PWG as your username and leave everything else blank. You should then be automatically connected to the internet within a few minutes as the SIM card activation process finishes. To wrap up this video, I have put a link to sign up for the service in the description bar. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.